Good morning everyone. My name is Reva Gurnath Rane. I am studying in Standard 8 Division A.
My name is Shreya Satish Rane. I am studying in Standard 8 Division A, and
Today we are glad to represent our project
before you,
an air purifier.
One evening, while watching news with my parents, I learned that many schools in Delhi have been closed due to the rising air pollution. Also, their exams were cancelled, and due to the low air quality, it led to the low visibility and created many problems for the people there. Inspired and motivated by this, my friend and I decided to create this project for reducing the air pollution and for improving the air quality. So our problem statement is that about purifying air. As we all know that vehicles are the most important and prominent reasons for air pollution. Also diseases like silicosis, pulmonary diseases and respiratory problems are faced due to pollution. So today our little imagination and creativity has found a solution for this problem.
Now you would be thinking that many students have already made air purifier, right? But our project is different. Let me explain you. We are going to fit this filter in one box, then that box will be fitted on a street light. Now, why on only street light? Because street light is placed on a safety height and street light is present in each and every corner in the world. So, we have tried to make this project at the cheapest resources available. We will on this project at a peak time. Peak time means working hours. This project will be on working hours because the vehicles pollution, the pollution caused by vehicles at that time is more. So,
Its structure is as follows. As we all can see that a material producing contaminated air is placed at the base of the structure and above it an exhaust fan is placed. This exhaust fan will absorb perpendicularly all the contaminated air and the contaminated air will go through a pipe. As we all can see that two layers of filter are made. These filters are made by using a muslin cloth and cotton. Cotton is stacked between two layers of muslin cloth, so the carbon compounds and particles present in the contaminated and polluted air will be trapped within this and the clean air will be released through it.
You can see this air. Okay, so see here from recent updates we have collected this much pollutant in this. This is a carbon trapped in it. So in future, instead of using this little exhaust fan, we are going to fit a heat compressor for more absorption of heat, and instead of this filter we are going to add powdered negatively charged zeolite to make it work more effectively and at a larger quantity.
So, in conclusion, we want to say that this is our little try to make our society more step one better.
Pollution, our air purifier is the solution. Thank you.